Good evening, ma'am. My name is Zin Kate L. Dialong from BPA 2A. My topic is all about accrued expenses. Accrued expenses are costs a business incurs for goods or services received within an accounting period, but which are not yet paid for. These expenses are recorded in the income statement in the period they are incurred and appear as a liability on the balance sheet, indicating a future obligation to pay. Common examples include salaries owed to employees, utility bills for services used but no received, and interest loans. Then, the examples of accrued expenses is salary payable. Employees work for a period, but the company does not pay their wages until the following pay period, so those wages are accrued. Next example is interest payable. A company accrues interest on a loan over a period, even if the interest payment is due at a later date. Next is utilities. A company uses electricity or water for its operations during 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 a month, but the bill does not arrive until the next month. The cost of the electricity used in the first month is an accrued expenses. Next, why do we record accrued expenses? Because to make sure the company's financial statements show the true picture of its financial position. That helps match expenses the correct time period matching principle. Then, where do they appear in financial statements? Income statements. The expenses is recorded here in the period it happens. Next is balance sheets. It shows up as a liability under a section called accrued liabilities or accounts payable. Examples of accrued expenses. First is salary wages payable. Next is utilities payable and interest payable. Last is the